3. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Mocktail Beauties 2017. I am Prerna here. Today we are preparing bread roll. For this what we need is breads. I have cut breads into triangle shape, dry grapes, cashews, kova, sugar, oil for frying and some water. Now let's start with the recipe. Now let's keep oil for frying. Let the oil get heat up. Here we have kept water for sugar syrup. That's on the flame. Now we have added sugar in this for sugar syrup. Let's stir this. Let this sugar syrup come to one string consistency. Now let's fry this bread to golden brown. Let's fry all bread to golden brown. Let's fry this in low flame. So that the bread will get crispy. Here you can see sugar is boiling. Bread is getting golden brown. Now the bread has turned to golden brown. Let's take it into tissue papers. So guys, now all the breads have been roasted golden brown. You can see it is very crispy, and the sugar syrup is also ready now. It is almost getting ready for one string consistency. Now let's dip bread in sugar syrup one by one. Let's take it to this plate. Let's dip it nicely. Now let's dip all the bread in the sugar syrup. Now you can see all the breads have been dipped in sugar syrup. Now let's decorate it with kova. And some dry fruits. So you can see it is so beautifully decorated and it looks so delicious and yummy. So now this is ready, guys. You can tell this as bread rolls or roasted bread sandwich, sweet sandwich. See that, so beautiful. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video and comment below if you have any suggestions. Thank you.